Hello. Holy shit. This is my first time making a YouTube video type thing. So, welcome to the worst ever unboxing video you'll ever see. Oh god.
眠れ、子羊よ。安らかに。
2 hours later.
We almost got it!
1 eternity later.
It's time for the moment you've been waiting for.
Dude, look at it! I'm so sweaty right now. I'm sweating! It's purple! And pink! And my logo is in the middle. Because I am a very professional content creator. No! It's officially unboxed. I suppose me actually using this thing and playing on it will be another video for another time. See ya.
I started playing DDR in April 2023 after my friend introduced me to the game. After that, some of my other friends and I started playing at Dave & Buster's every Wednesday because that's when credits are half off. Sometimes we go more often, or sometimes we take long breaks, but we shared this goal ever since. Because of this game, I became better friends with the people I already knew and got to meet even more cool people. Going to local arcades gives me something to really look forward to every week. I'm so grateful for that. And I'm so grateful for my stream community for supporting me in whatever I do, even in the Stepmania arc I've started. And for helping me buy this pad. Thank you guys! And thank you so much for watching.